What if I told you that everything you think you know about the sub-250-gram drone category is about to be shattered? For years, we've accepted the compromise: you get portability, but you sacrifice pro-level camera quality, you sacrifice flight time, and you definitely sacrifice full, omnidirectional obstacle sensing. But today, the most explosive leak in DJI history has dropped, and it confirms the DJI Mini 6 Pro is not just an upgrade, it's a revolution. The Federal Aviation Administration, the civil aviation authorities across Europe, everyone who made the rules for sub-250G drones? They are about to lose control. Stay tuned, because the single feature buried deep in the new spec sheet is the one thing that should make you put down your wallet and wait. You need to see this. The DJI Mini series has always been a masterpiece of compromise. It's the drone that fits in your jacket pocket, the one you can fly in most places without the headache of registration. The Mini 4 Pro gave us our first taste of true omnidirectional sensing, a crucial safety feature. But what the leaks for the Mini 6 Pro are promising, and this is all authentic, sourced directly from verified industry channels, is a drone that takes the Mini name and throws it out the window, while keeping the under 249-gram weight. This is the one that changes the game. This is the sub-250G monster. Let's start with the feature that has the entire drone community absolutely buzzing, the one that redefines what a pocket-sized drone is capable of: the camera. If you bought a Mini 4 Pro, you're holding a 1/1.3-inch sensor. A great sensor, no doubt. But the leaks confirm the DJI Mini 6 Pro is slated to include a 1-inch CMOS sensor. Let that sink in. This is the sensor size that was once the exclusive domain of the flagship Mavic and Air series drones that require registration and weigh significantly more. This isn't just a slight bump in quality, it's a quantum leap. A 1-inch sensor means dramatically better low-light performance. It means cleaner shadows, brighter highlights, and a dynamic range that will make your old Mini footage look like it was shot on a toy. For cinematographers, for travelers, for anyone who wants to shoot professional-grade content at sunset or sunrise, this is the holy grail. And what is that giant sensor feeding? 6K Ultra HD video. The Mini 4 Pro maxes out at 4K per 60 frames per second. The Mini 6 Pro is rumored to shoot 6K video. This is future-proofing at its finest. Even if you edit in 4K, having 6K raw footage gives you massive cropping flexibility, allowing you to reframe your shots in post-production without losing resolution. We are talking about true professional workflow capabilities packed into a drone that weighs less than a can of soda. This upgrade alone is reason enough to sell your current drone today. But there's a critical detail here for the pro users in premium markets like the US and Europe: the color profile. The leaks hint at an improved 10-bit D-Log-M or D-Log-C profile tailored for this new sensor. This is the difference between a video that looks good and a video that can be color-graded to match footage from a $50,000 cinema camera. That's the caliber of content DJI is quietly enabling. Battery anxiety is a real thing for drone pilots. We all know the feeling of watching that battery life tick down while you're in the middle of a perfect shot. The current gold standard for the Mini series is around 34 minutes of flight time. The Mini 6 Pro is expected to push this all the way to an astounding 40-minute maximum flight time on the standard intelligent flight battery. But here's the true tap tech angle: this isn't just a slightly bigger battery. To maintain the sub-250G weight, DJI has likely had to engineer a brand new, vastly more energy-dense cell chemistry. This also ties into the rumored O5 transmission system. We know DJI is constantly improving their radio systems, and O5 is expected to provide an even more stable, further-reaching connection than the already excellent O4 system. For creators, this translates to more time over the subject, fewer battery changes, and the confidence to fly further out. For the US audience flying under FCC regulations, this means you can take advantage of the extended range with a rock-solid, low-latency live view. You're getting an almost hour-long shoot time with the included base battery, which is just insane for this size class. The Mini 4 Pro introduced omnidirectional sensing, which was a game-changer. But the Mini 6 Pro is taking it to the next level with a true 360-degree obstacle avoidance system and the rumored ActiveTrack 360 degrees AI flight modes. This isn't just about stopping before you hit a tree. This is about AI-powered flight. Think of the drone as having a highly intelligent, invisible co-pilot. ActiveTrack 360 degrees is rumored to use advanced computer vision to predict an object's path, not just react to it. It will be able to fly around complex environments, think thick forest or urban scaffolding, while keeping a subject perfectly centered in the frame, all on its own. For the creator, this opens up shots that were previously only possible with a skilled pilot and a dedicated camera operator. You can focus entirely on the subject and the scene, trusting the drone's 6 or more dedicated vision sensors to keep it safe. The Mini 6 Pro is becoming so smart, it's essentially a flying camera dolly. Now, let's talk about the one detail that will make or break your decision: the price. With these massive, pro-level upgrades, a 1-inch sensor, 6K video, 40-minute flight time, and omnidirectional sensing, you know the price is going up. Based on our analysis of DJI's launch history and the cost of the Mavic series components it's borrowing, the DJI Mini 6 Pro is expected to land with a shocking premium price tag, likely in the range of $1,199 to $1,399 for the standard package. The Fly More combo could easily push past the $1,500 mark. Yes, that is a significant premium for a mini-series drone. It puts it almost in the category of a discounted Air 3 or even a used Mavic 3. But you must remember what you're buying. You're paying for the incredible engineering required to pack a full-sized, professional camera system and all-around obstacle sensing into a device that remains under the crucial 250-gram limit. You are paying to bypass burdensome regulations in dozens of countries while carrying a camera system that rivals drones twice its size. As for the release date, DJI has a history of fall releases to capture the holiday market. With the Mini 4 Pro having established a 2-year cycle, our most solid prediction, backed by the latest supply chain chatter, is a formal announcement in late September with shipments beginning in mid to late October of this year. So, should you wait? Should you sell your Mini 4 Pro? If you are a casual hobbyist who just wants great family vacation footage, the Mini 4 Pro is still a phenomenal drone. But if you are a content creator, a real estate professional, a travel vlogger, or a serious enthusiast in a premium country where sub-250G status is non-negotiable for commercial work and ease of flight, then the DJI Mini 6 Pro is the drone you have been waiting for. The 1-inch 6K sensor is not a gimmick. It's a genuine tool that will instantly elevate your aerial content. Pair that with a 40-minute flight time and truly autonomous, safe flight, and you have the most capable, regulation-exempt flying camera ever built. This drone isn't just rewriting the specs, it's rewriting the rules of the sky. Alright, that's the complete breakdown of the explosive DJI Mini 6 Pro leaks. But I want to know what you think. Which feature is the real game changer? Is it the 6K video, or the 40-minute flight time? Drop a comment below right now and let the Tap Tech community know your thoughts. And seriously, don't miss the official announcement. Make sure you're subscribed, and hit that bell notification so YouTube actually tells you when the next breaking update drops. We'll be the first with a hands-on review. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the sky. Stop. Before you spend a single dollar on any new drone right now, you need to watch this entire video. Because a massive leak has just confirmed the existence and the unbelievable specs of the DJI Mini 6 Pro, a drone so powerful, it makes the current Mini 4 Pro look like a toy. We're talking a feature set that defies physics and breaks regulatory laws, all while staying under the magic 250-gram mark. But one of these rumored features is a total deal breaker, Something that will force a major upgrade if you rely on aerial footage for your income. Don't touch that buy button on a Mini 4 Pro until you know the truth about the 6K camera and the shocking 40-minute endurance. Stick around, because the details on the price are going to catch a lot of you off guard. The DJI Mini series has always been a masterpiece of compromise. So, there it is, the most detailed look at the leaked specs for the DJI Mini 6 Pro. Now you know that the 1-inch 6K camera is the real deal, the 40-minute battery life is a game changer, and the price is going to be significantly higher. Here's the burning question: if the price is confirmed to be $1,299, would you buy the Mini 6 Pro for its under 250G status, or would you put that money towards a larger, heavier drone like the Air 3? I'm genuinely curious what the community prioritizes, portability or budget. Let me know in the comments. Your input helps us decide what we cover next. Like this video if you're excited for a true pro-level Mini, share it with a drone friend, and tap that subscribe button for the absolute latest in drone tech. This is Tap Tech, and we'll catch you in the next one.